Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe and press the notification bell. Today we'll be making some coconut curry chickpeas. If you want to know how it's done, stick around. Okay, so in it we're going to use some chickpeas. I've gone ahead and cooked these ahead of time. I would encourage you guys, if you have a lot of chickpeas, just cook them and you can store them in the freezer for recipes. We're going to be using some green seasoning that I blend up, some turmeric, bay leaf, potato, onion, sweet pepper, garlic, tomatoes. In this I have my herb mix, and salt and coconut milk. To begin, we're going to burn the turmeric. Now guys, this turmeric was made right here in Jamaica by my aunt. So we're going to burn it, and I'm also going to add the herb blend. In my herb blend I have cumin and coriander powder, ground powder, and some onion powder. And this turmeric, guys, is organic. I remember helping one of my aunts too back in the days to dig up the turmeric and dry them, and then they ground them into powder. Alright, so we're pretty good here. We're going to add the chickpeas. Alright, so add to your pot the potatoes and your coconut milk. And this will take like roughly 15-20 minutes to cook down. I like to add my seasonings before I forget. I'm also adding like a tablespoon of green seasoning. So I like to add the rest of seasonings to the pot closer to when it finish cooking, because if you add them before, it may cook down, the seasonings may cook out, and the food may not have any color and look vibrant. So I like to add those a little last. You know, when I know I'm on the last 5 minutes of finished cooking, then I add them. Because remember, the green seasoning blend kind of have everything in there already, all the flavor that I want. Alright, so we're just going to cover this and leave it to simmer down, and then get back to it in a minute. Alright guys, so you can see it bubbling up and look nice. Alright guys, you're on the last lap of it, so we're going to add some sweet pepper, little onion, and some tomato, just for color. And if you're cooking this recipe and you find that it's not drying out and like getting gravy, like a gravy form, you can just crush some of your potatoes. Just crush them, because that's what's going to give you that thick consistency that you would be looking for. Alright. 2 minutes more and I'm good. Finished cooking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing plant-based videos. Until next time, bye.